In recent years, earning a full-time income online has become more accessible than ever before. Flexible hours and remote opportunities are attracting people from all walks of life, especially those seeking greater freedom and simplicity. The rise of automation, social media platforms, and digital products has opened new doors for beginners, allowing them to start with minimal experience. These tools make it possible to streamline tasks, reach wider audiences, and generate income without traditional constraints. As technology continues to evolve, more individuals are embracing online work as a viable path to financial independence. Whether you're looking to supplement your earnings or transition to a new career, the digital landscape offers a wealth of possibilities. This section explores how you can leverage these trends to build your own flexible online income. The six-figure blueprint is designed as a straightforward, step-by-step system for building passive income online. It leverages automated funnels to guide potential customers seamlessly through the buying process, while value-driven content establishes trust and authority. Digital products form the core of this strategy, enabling scalable revenue without the need for constant manual effort. Unlike traditional approaches, this blueprint does not require a large social media following or advanced technical skills. It also moves away from aggressive selling tactics, focusing instead on delivering genuine value. The result is a sustainable income stream that operates largely on autopilot, making financial freedom more accessible than ever before. For beginners, this system offers several compelling advantages. The initial investment is minimal, making it accessible to those just starting out. You'll find a supportive community eager to help, whether you choose to work anonymously or share your progress with a small audience. The plug-and-play nature of the setup means you can get started quickly, without needing advanced technical skills. Documenting and sharing your journey not only helps others, but also allows you to track your own growth and achievements. These features combine to create an environment where learning and experimentation are both encouraged and rewarding. This blueprint provides a comprehensive guide to building and growing an online business efficiently. It covers essential topics such as branding, digital marketing, and email automation, ensuring you can reach and engage your target audience effectively. The content strategy section helps you create valuable material that attracts and retains customers. You'll also learn how to develop passive income assets, allowing your business to generate revenue around the clock. Multiple monetization streams are explored, giving you the flexibility to diversify your earnings. Altogether, these components work in harmony to support sustainable and scalable online business growth. This blueprint is designed to serve a wide range of individuals, from complete beginners eager to learn to those with limited time who need efficient solutions. It's especially valuable for business owners who are looking to automate their operations and reduce manual workload. Freedom-oriented entrepreneurs will find its strategies helpful for building a business that supports a flexible lifestyle. Whether you're just starting out or seeking to streamline and scale your online presence, the blueprint offers practical guidance tailored to your needs. Now is the perfect moment to take the first step toward creating an automated, adaptable online business. With the right approach, you can unlock greater freedom and efficiency in your professional life.